In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple yet powerful way to keep track of your to-dos, streamline your workflow, and ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. So, let's dive right in and make task management a breeze. First, you'll want to locate the Tasks section in your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the left panel on your screen, a handy hub where you'll find various options that help you navigate through QuickBooks. Here among the selections, you'll find Tasks. Give it a click. This section is where you'll be managing all your tasks, offering a bird's eye view of what needs to be done. Next up, once you're in the Tasks section, look for the button that says Add Tab, located somewhere on the page. You'll want to click on this to start defining your new task. Now, here's where the fun starts. You'll see some fields that need your attention. Begin by filling in a task name. This name should be descriptive enough that anyone reading it knows exactly what needs to be done without having to dig deeper. Imagine it's your quick, summarizing line of what this task is all about. After that, it's time to add a description. Here, you have a bit more space to elaborate on the task. Explain what needs to be done, provide important details, or include any links to necessary resources if needed. A good description is key to ensuring that whoever picks up the task knows exactly what is expected. Moving along, you will see an option to assign this task to someone. If you're working with a team, choose the person responsible for completing this task. Just select their name from the list, and you're good to go. Assigning tasks ensures accountability and lets everyone know who's doing what. Following that, set a due date. Enter when you want the task to be completed. Selecting a due date is crucial for time management, allowing you or the assignee to prioritize tasks effectively. As you plan your tasks, it's beneficial to also set a priority. This will help in classifying tasks that need immediate attention versus those that can wait. A great feature of QuickBooks is that you can set tasks as recurring. If there's something you need to do regularly, like a biweekly report, setting it as recurring will automatically generate the task for future dates. This clever tool will save you time and keep you organized. Once all these details are filled out to your satisfaction, press the Save button to create your task. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. You've successfully created a task in QuickBooks Online. With this simple process, managing your tasks becomes an integral part of your overall accounting system, helping you stay on top of your responsibilities effortlessly. Happy organizing!